Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Meet, Google, or click a Meet link and sign in with your Google account. Choose Join Now or Present to start your meeting immediately. Allow camera and microphone permissions when the browser prompts you to enable them. Select the correct camera and microphone from the device menus before joining. Test your audio and speakers using more options, then settings to confirm mic and speaker levels. Close unnecessary tabs and mute notifications to mute your microphone when you are not speaking and unmute only to contribute to reduce background noise. Position your microphone roughly 4 to 8 inches from your mouth for consistent audio pickup and clarity. Speak in short sentences and pause between points to let others react or ask questions. Use headphones or earbuds to prevent echo and feedback during the meeting. Keep your speaker volume at a comfortable level so you can hear others without distortion or fatigue. Share your screen by clicking Present Now and choose a window, tab, or entire screen to show slides or apps. When presenting, close unrelated windows and mute notifications to keep the presentation professional. Enable captions for accessibility or when audio quality is poor to help viewers follow along. If bandwidth is limited, reduce video quality or turn off self-view to lower data usage and maintain stability. Use more options, then record meeting to save a copy for absent participants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.